Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, the 8th of September, and we are back, Crypto TV, live to you, giving you the best crypto information and news like you've never heard it anywhere else. So, my name is Crypto Cindy, and I'm here again, as always, as promised to you, every day, 7 p.m. We are live on Empire Crypto TV on YouTube. Make sure that you subscribe and don't forget, after you've subscribed, write under the comments on this video that you have subscribed in order to stand a chance to win 100,000 Shiba unicorns that we are giving to our lucky viewers on a daily basis. So make sure that you don't lose out. Okay, so today I'm running solo, unfortunately, and today we'll be talking about blockchain. So we're talking about, is blockchain secure and how secure is blockchain? So yesterday I wasn't here, but the show previously was about stable coins, and you were also informed about Facebook Libra. So today we will just go straight into detail and talk about, is blockchain really secure? Okay, so blockchain security is both a strength and a concern. Cryptocurrency transactions, including paying with crypto, investing in crypto, and crypto lending, is anonymous and protected in part of a very way which blockchain technology is built. But with the most of the other technologies, it's not completely immune to tampering. So the questions that would rise here are things like, is blockchain completely secure? Now, a blockchain is a series of blocks and records data in a hash function which timestamps all the information that is given, so which means that it cannot be changed, it cannot be tampered with, it cannot be altered, or we cannot say we are amending it or we are fixing it. So with the copies, the copies are now in all the users with the same information. So that is the reason why it is so hard to actually tamper with and actually to try and amend. So it actually remains very, very, very tight for people to hack and to actually try and alter or even take the information from it. Now, is blockchain secure or is it private? Now, data on public blockchain is secure, we actually know that we've actually said earlier that you cannot amend, you cannot alter the information that it's there because it has been validated on the blockchain and there are so many users. Previously on a show, we actually mentioned that there are so many computers getting the same information. That is the reason why we cannot now go around and be changing information on all these computers. And remember, they're not in one place, they're in different countries. This is a worldwide revolution, which we're talking about, called the blockchain. So good examples of the blockchain would be the Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are well known and they are public blockchains. So what makes this blockchain secure? Now, the records on blockchain are secured through, it's called cryptography. Now, network participants have their own special private keys that are assigned to the transactions they make and act as a personal digital signature. So basically, this means that now there is no way that people can have access to keys to people all over the world. So this is the reason why it's so secure. Now they're saying that the people who are on the blockchain have their own special keys. So this is the reason why it makes it quite resistant for people to tamper or to alter or to try and actually kill this blockchain revolution. Now, we know like any other thing, there has to be a problem. Now, I'm going to go in and tell you about the problems in the blockchain. So, the main negative impact on the current implementation of the blockchain is basically on energy. So, the energy usage, and because of the environment and the other impacts, those are the current issues with the blockchain right now. So, we know that blockchain requires a lot of computing powers. We know that it needs a lot of electricity and you also need a lot of cooling power. So those are the main concerns currently with the blockchain. But we know exactly like blockchain, someone out there is busy with the solution. So we cannot actually be crying and saying we're not involved because of such problems, because we know that somebody will be coming with a solution. It might be you, it might be me. So is blockchain safer than banks? This is one question that we are all asking ourselves. Especially nowadays, we hear people talking about their personal information being taken from the banks, people are losing money. So is blockchain the solution to that? Now let us see. So compared to a traditional banking system, the blockchain systems are more efficient and accurate. If if only the banks and the other financial institutions adopted this methodology, we can expect to have more secure accounts, reliable banking systems, and the most fascinating thing is that we'll have actually be paying less. We'll be paying less than what we are for our transaction fees because now everything is just going to be so digital and stuff. So also in terms of saving, the blockchain is the solution. Now, I guess the next question in your mind right now is, can blockchain replace the banks? This is exactly one of the questions that is in my mind, and I'm sure it actually crossed your mind. When we start talking about saving, we're now thinking, are they replacing the banks? Now, the simple answer is to decentralize finances. Yes, they could replace the traditional old banking system, especially because now everything, as we previously spoke about in the previous shows, that everything is now becoming so digitalized that yes, blockchain might just be the reason and the one thing that actually changes the banking system that we currently have. Okay, and as I mentioned, that now with the blockchain, it will actually make our lives easier because we'll have faster transactions and there'll be high levels of security. High levels of security is what we all want. Nobody wants to have people having access to their bank accounts. You're sitting at home or you're sleeping in the morning, you see transactions. That is one thing that is currently frustrating so many people around. So blockchain is the solution. So we'll be paying lower fees. And remember, we will also be talking about smart contracts very soon. So smart contracts is also something that will also be helping the banks in terms of the blockchain system. How can blockchain be shut down? Okay, so currently it is already impossible for a single entity to kill Bitcoin because it's such a worldwide revolution. So just it's impossible to kill Bitcoin. So that actually means that the underlining thing is that we cannot kill blockchain. Blockchain technology is here, it cannot be shut down. So there's no government, there's no person in high power, or someone low, someone underneath, someone in the middle that can come tomorrow and say, I am just pressing a delete button and blockchain is gone. So blockchain cannot be shut down. It is here. So blockchain technology, exactly like cryptocurrencies, it is here. We have to adopt. Can a blockchain fail? Now, data manipulation essentially becomes impossible. So I've said this earlier that it's highly impossible for someone to delete, to amend, or to say, I'm fixing, or we are removing, we're editing, as we always do. We want to edit, we want to do what. So unfortunately, with the blockchain, it is highly impossible for us to say that now we are altering. And this is the reason why blockchain cannot fail. Now, how do blockchain companies make money? This is one of the questions we always want to know. If these people are providing the solution to this problem, how are they making money? Because we all know that every business needs something to sustain itself. So how do blockchain companies make money? Now, well, many blockchain networks have their own tokens. Tokens in terms of cryptocurrencies, and inside the network, they settle transactions and payments. So they're getting money from the transactions that we're making, from payments, from transactions. They've got their own tokens. So they've got multiple streams of income within their blockchain system. Okay, so also let us not forget to subscribe. This is the channel that gives you information every single day at 7 p.m. Monday to Friday. We are here committed to giving you information that you've never heard before on crypto. So make sure that you subscribe to our news channel, which is Empire Crypto TV. After you've subscribed, do not forget to write there under the comments on this video that you have subscribed. And tomorrow I might just be reading out your name and giving you 100,000 Shiba coins as we always do. So now are going to our breaking news. So on the breaking news, today we'll be talking about Bitcoin crash. This is something that has kept people awake the whole night yesterday. So we've been getting calls, SMSs, WhatsApps, and everywhere that people are contacting us, asking us what is going on with the Bitcoin crash. Bitcoin was coming so well, and all of a sudden there's a crash. So let us see what has led to that crash. So now breaking news, We are talking about the Bitcoin crash. And as we all know, we had our first day, the first day of one of our countries actually taking Bitcoin as a legal tender. So what went wrong? Now, I was just doing some research to see exactly what is going on, and I found out that now there's been so much protest in the country which is called El Salvador. Now the technology glitches. Now there's angry protesters, people saying they don't want to adopt to crypto. As we know that their first day of adopting crypto was yesterday. Now the price of Bitcoin actually crashed to its lowest in nearly a month, falling from 52,000 US dollars to under 43. Imagine such a fall. While we were all happy stating that now Bitcoin is going higher and higher and higher, all of a sudden, because of the protest and people resisting, not wanting to actually adopt to the new change of life, this is what happened to crypto. I think this is one of the things that we've always been emphasizing and telling people that do not forget that crypto is just like our normal fiat currencies. Today it's up, the next day it's down. We just need to live with it. And the best way that most people are making money from the crypto are with the long term, because we know that today might be a bad day, but tomorrow might be better. So we see that because of the protest and the people resisting there in that country, the Bitcoin price actually went down. The Bitcoin price was taken down because of that. Now we see that when I was reading about that, I also see that there's also other countries that have actually bought crypto, and I think these are one of the people that bought it when the price was a bit high. I think it was more than around 45,000 US dollars, because now they are stating that now one of the countries, it's called Latin America's poorest countries, one of Latin America's poorest countries, they have lost more than $3 million in crypto. So this is just in Bitcoin. So they're one of the people that bought the crypto immediately when it went out, and now they're saying they've lost. Now, I don't believe in people saying that they've lost just because it went down once. This is why I actually am a long time holder. The people that will come and say I have lost so much are people mainly that are not long-term holders, because if we're long-term holders, we will not be touched by this move of yesterday, because we know that tomorrow is another day in crypto, next month is another month, and December crypto will still be here. The same thing will happen again next year. We might just even see the Bitcoin going as above as 100,000 maybe in the near future. So we are happy about that. I just want to see something quickly here before I go away. I just wanted us to view the market cap quickly. So I will just open it quickly here. Okay, so I'll open it quickly and then we can just do our market analysis now. And then we can part. Where is our coin market? Okay, there it is. So here it is. I will just share my screen with you shortly. I just wanted to open. So while we are there, let us not forget to subscribe. Make sure we subscribe, and we also invite other people. We invite our friends, we invite our family members, so that we are not only getting information for ourselves, but we have our family members and our kids also enjoying the same benefits as us. Okay, so here we are. So here we are now. We are looking at the markets. Today we said it's the 8th of September, so here it is. So we see today that the Bitcoin is down. Just as we said in our breaking news, we see that Bitcoin has gone down by 7.56%. Okay, but we are not shaken, because we believe in our crypto, and we know that yes, there are days which our crypto goes down, but we do see Bitcoin going above the 50,000 again. So we've got Bitcoin there. Unfortunately, our price is down. Ethereum also down today by 7%. We've got our Cardona also down by 7%. I see a trend and everything just going down in the 7%. The top three is just down by 7%. So there's some trend there. And there's Binance Coin. It is actually down by 9%. We've got our Tether in the green. So you see, let us not worry. We still have a green. And our Ripple number 6, it is down by almost 12%. That is 11.96%. Solana is down by 8.46%. And our Dogecoin is down by 10.39%. And our USD coin, okay, it's actually not down, not up. It's still on the same price. It's on par. It's on $1 each. You know, that is one of the stable coins. And then we've got number 10, that is Polkadot. It is down by 9%. Okay, so going down, you can actually just check also the market. You'll also see that, yes, there are other currencies, other cryptocurrencies that have actually gone up. On number 29 there, we've got Algorand. That's actually up by 34.3%. So I'm just showing you this because it's something that we need to know. People, when Bitcoin and Ethereum are down, they then see the whole market is down. So there are other projects which are actually up. You can just check them out there on your own time there. But I am happy in the overall. And we are not scared, we are not shaken. But please don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you are here again tomorrow, 7 p.m. I'll be here with the Crypto King, bringing you breaking news like we always do, and making sure that by the end of the show, you know more than what you came in with. Thank you very much for your time and enjoy the rest of your evening.